If your computer's moving slow, let's look at some quick things we could do with storage to help speed it up a bit. So we're going to right click the start button. We're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to system. And then from system, we can go to storage. And then storage will tell you everything that you've been using, all the space you've been using. You can do temporary files, which are files that are just kind of held for caching purposes. And you can delete these files at any time. If I select my downloads, it'll tell you how much you selected and how much is going to be free once you remove these files. This is a quick way to free up some space. If we go back to storage, we can also do some of the installed apps. You can see that all the apps here that I have installed that can be easily removed are shown. No matter what app it is, you could just hit the three dots here, the ellipses, and you can hit uninstall to free up some space with that unused app. So if we go back to system, go back to storage, you could also do any other ones that you have. These are kind of obscure files that are used in some of the apps or whatever it is you installed or downloaded. These are kind of obscure files that you use that you can delete or remove to help clear up some storage. If you'd like to use that one's good too. You could also do what we call storage sense here. And this you can set up to automatically clear space on your computer. So if we turn on storage sense, it gives you some time frames that you could use that'll help reduce the amount of storage space being used. You could delete files in a certain amount of days. And if you run down, you can see all the options you have here. You can run it manually too. You don't have to do it automatically. Once you turn it on, you can run it whenever you like. I think this is a good built-in Windows tool to help relieve some of that storage congestion. Then for all intents and purposes, you could also go by what Windows recommends. Usually the recycling bin and downloads are big ones because people download things and they just stay in download folder and never remove the files. Additionally, we could do something more legacy and then go to disk cleanup. So if we go to start here, we'll do disk cleanup. Go pick the drive. And then disk cleanup will do essentially the same thing we did in the system settings there. Just this is an older way to do it. And then you could just select the files that you want and it'll tell you the amount of space that you gain. And then from there, you can clean up the system files and should open up some space for you and hopefully have your computer move just a little bit more faster. And that's it. Hope this helps.